Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change the vividness of our colors of our screen in Samsung Galaxy A55. So how to change vividness of our color palette? First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in display options menu, we have our screen mode. As you can see, now it's set up as natural. The natural screen mode we cannot change. To make some changes, we need to tap vivid mode, and now we have our white balance if we need, but we are looking for vividness, so we can change it. Here we have 3 steps, as you can see: 0, 1, 2. It's not a slider, and that's it. That was the function that we were looking for. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.